Okay, this is the start of the replace old water tank with new bladder project. I'm about to cut this out, so I'll get back to you. Okay, well, it's out and all ready for me to put the bladder in. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this little stuff out that could maybe be detrimental to the bladder, but we're almost there. Okay, it's all cleaned out, ready to go. There's the tank in all its wonderful pieces that get to go to the garbage. Now I just need to take this and install it in there. Now I've already connected the fill tube and the part that you hook the hose to go to your pump. And I think I'm gonna need to face that a different direction, but yeah, I think we're ready to go. Okay, after having a look at this real quick, I'm gonna have to swap this. There's my fill tube, and unless I want to add something to that, I need this to be this connector. And I know that doesn't put the part that I'm sucking water from at the very, very bottom down in there. But because this is a bladder, it'll suck it out just fine, I think, from wherever it's at for the most part. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one down here. It's actually going to be facing up there, that direction. And then I'm going to put this one here. Facing kind of that direction, so it's onto there. Alright. Okay, it's all in. Fill tube is connected. Tube going to the pump is connected. All there is left to do is go turn on the water and fill this thing up and see what happens. So we'll go ahead and time lapse that too. Okay, well, I filled this sucker all the way up. I wanted to see if it was leaking at all, and it is tight. Like, I've got pressurized water, I think. Let's just see how we do here. And it's working just fine. Hot water as well. Yep. That's good. Ooh, already hot. but I'm gonna have to run a little bit out. Obviously, that sticks up, you know, above where it needs to. So, yep, we'll have to not fill it up that full when we fill it. Success. Okay, a little summary on the bladder, flexible bladder. By the way, it was from Defender, a Plastimo, 26.4 gallon. I decided to go with that, not necessarily that particular bladder, but a bladder, because our hard tank was leaking, and fixing that, not an easy project. Don't know of any way to really fix the tank while it's in place. You'd have to remove it, try to fix it, or put a new one in, and I didn't want to cut all the fiberglass out of the dinette and repair all that. So, flexible bladder, decided to go with that. I think an added benefit is in the wintertime when I put this boat away, I can simply pump all the water out and remove that bladder. I don't have any freezing issues. And if I wanted to, I could hook up the pump into just this stuff right here and just wash the lines out of water and get those all the faucets and stuff done that way. And I don't have to worry about putting that stuff in my water tank, and maybe my wife will actually drink from the water or use the water on the boat. So all in all, I think it was pretty slick, pretty easy, and worked out great. I'm giving it a thumbs up. Bye for now.